Good afternoon, friends and family. Life is like a tree. If you don't start somewhere by go and click on my website link that is in my YouTube channel and put your email in my blueprint that will take you there. When will your financial growth start? So it will take time. It will take time to build up your following and everything in the social channels. So I know, try to be patient. Your business will grow. So go and click on my website link in my YouTube channel and start to learn about the e-learning/digital marketing program that will earn you income, and in a few months you have an extra income, so don't stress.